Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shannon. Thank you so much for stopping by today. In today's really quick short video, we are going to unbox and swatch the Menagerie Cosmetics. I finally got the Feral palette and the liquid lipstick to try. I don't have any makeup on. I went to work this morning with no makeup on purpose so I could do like my face makeup around like 4 o'clock so I can film with this bad boy as soon as I get off. So I figured while I stopped home on my lunch break, it would be fun to do a really quick swatch video. So let's do this. This palette retails for God, how much does it retail for? I forgot now. I will link their website. It's still available for purchase. I literally like just got this, guys. Should have thought about all that before I started the camera, but I do have to get back to work. This is what the box looks like. And this is the liquid lipstick packaging. I am so obsessed with this packaging, you guys. Seriously. I've been dying to try this brand. I'm so excited. My husband got this for me last week, and I was dying for it to show up. This is in the shade Aurelia. That's a name from a character in a movie. What movie is that? God, I'm not going to be able to think of it right now. All right, this is the packaging of the liquid lipstick on the inside. I'm so excited. This is so my shade. You guys look, it matches my nails. And you guys know I love my mauve-y shades. Let's swatch that bad boy. That is what the liquid lipstick looks like. And actually, I don't have anything on my lips. That formula, ooh, that formula feels pretty good. Ooh, I like it. It's like velvety, almost like the Laura Lee Los Angeles one, and like the Smith & Colt one, but not as thick, which I kind of like. Yeah, we'll see how that wears. Okay, we'll let that dry and we will see if there's any transfer when we're done with the swatches. All right, so let's open the palette up. I'm sure you guys have seen pictures of this on Instagram. Let's get this little plastic guy. It comes with a little protector. And it has a nice size mirror. I'm not going to blind you guys. Look at how pretty it is in all of its glory. All right, well, let's do some swatches then. How about that? I love this lipstick already. Look, guys. Don't mind my face. I have no primer on, no foundation, no concealer, nothing, not even lotion. Okay, so I don't have anything on my arm, as always. Let me move some palettes over so we have got room. All right, yeah, that's going to work out. All right, so my hands are clean and everything. We have Harmonia, Wolfing, Canis lupus, I have no idea what that means. Ooh, I did not, oh my God, you guys, that is a duochrome. Is it too bright? Can you guys, maybe I should lower my light. You guys see that middle shade? That is a duochrome that I did not expect it to look like that. All right, and the first one didn't swatch too well. Oh, there we go. I have never tried this brand before, you guys. So bear with me. It's a learning curve for me too. I don't know, the mattes don't really swatch that well, but that doesn't tell us everything about the palette. All right, now we have, and there's not a lot of kickback in the pans. And the pans are a pretty decent size. I'm really excited for this. I'm like, woo! All right, so we have Alpha and Pack Leader, Alum, Alpha, Pack Leader, and Alum. See, so some of their mattes aren't swatching the greatest, but the shimmers are swatching very, very good. And, you know, I mean, it all depends on how they perform with a brush and on the eyes. So if you guys stay tuned, tonight I am going to be reviewing this palette. Next we have Mariposa Night Eyes. Oh, I'm really excited for Night Eyes. And Wisteria. I'm really excited for that one too. It's the shade of the year is coral, and that's like a coral, so. Ooh, see, now that swatched pretty good. Ooh, so did the yellow. Ooh. I'm getting excited now, guys. And then we have Fenris, Ivy, and Hucheria. I think I'm saying these totally wrong. Holy green shimmer. Oh my god. Let's try and get these to swatch a little bit better. It's like they build up good. And I'm actually going to do something really quick before we're done here. So there are the swatches of the Menagerie Feral palette. And there's the swatch of the liquid lipstick Aurelia. I would have bought more, but I wanted to see how I like the formula. Now I have an idea. We're going to put some primer. Let's use the famous Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I'm going to put some on my right or on my left hand. And I'm going to see after it dries a little bit if the mattes swatch a little better. And I also want to try it with a brush. So let's take this shade Alpha. It did not swatch very well. So let's see how it works with a brush. Oh, see, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Much better. Oh yeah, much, much better. Let me get my switch. Hey guys. I wasn't going to put my face in this video, but I was like, you know what? All right, this is Canis Lupus, which was another one we had a hard time with. I'm not left-handed. Oh yeah. So maybe I should do, okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna swatch all the mattes on my arm, the top part. Or, yeah, I'll do it on my left arm. Oh my god, they're so much better with a brush, you guys. Seriously. Seriously. I'm just doing the mattes because we know the shimmers turned out pretty good. And I know I gotta get back to work. So I'm just going to do this real quick. Oh my god, so much better. You guys, seriously, so much better. Oh yeah, not a doubt in my mind that this palette is going to be one of my new favorites. Like, you can even see the yellow over my black tattoo. That's how good it's working with a brush. I'm so glad I thought to try that because I was like so sad. I was like, man... You know how like you are so excited for something and then you get it and you're just like, eh, it's just a meh. All right, I've got 2 more to do. And then I'll show you guys. You're going to be like, what a difference a brush makes. Okay, so let me show you guys. Oh, wait, I'm going to have to take my phone off of the tripod to show you, but that's okay. Hold on, let me stop. All right, guys, so there are the brush swatches. Look at the difference. There's the brush swatches, and there's the finger swatches. I mean, you can see them both, but that was so effortlessly done. All right, so that is it. I am going to use this palette tonight to do a first impressions video, and I'll do a quick eyeshadow tutorial in that video. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Have you tried this? Do you want to pick it up? Are you like waiting for something to give you that notion that you're going to actually do it? Like you've been wanting to buy it, but you're just like waiting to see more reviews on it? Because we'll see tonight how it performs. But as far as swatches go, I'm so excited. That duochrome right there, that second shade, And the other two, oh my God, they are just very like, they make me excited to play with eyeshadow. And it's been a while since I've seen a shade that just makes me like want to hurry up and finish what I need to get done just so I can play with makeup. So I'm sorry that I have no makeup on right now, you guys. Just ignore that, but work is work. You got to do what you got to do. I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for joining us today, and stay tuned. Don't forget to enter the giveaway.